Beautiful day, guys. A beautiful day. It's a beautiful morning. Okay, positive energy, positive vibes. I send you guys love, prosperity, happiness, wealth, and abundance. Okay, on this group we only focus on money, happiness, love. Yeah, if I can put it that way. All right. So we're going to talk about Metatrader 4 and how to use the application of Metatrader 4. All right. So what you want to do is, you guys already have Metatrader 4. You've already downloaded it, hopefully. So what you want to do is you want to open your Metatrader 4. This is what you will see. The first thing you'll see, it's currency pairs, okay? Forex is all about foreign exchange, whereby it's the buying and selling of different currency pairs, all right? So now, let's say we're trading the GBP news, okay? I'll get into the news later on, but for now, let's say we're trading Great British Pound news, which is represented by GBP, all right? So how do you add GBP to your Metatrader 4? You see in the top right-hand corner, there is the plus sign and there's the pencil sign, okay? What you want to do is click on the plus sign and you click on the magnifying glass, top right hand corner, and then you type in GBP and then you search. It will bring you all the currency pairs for GBP. So you just click on all of them, okay? Randomly, just click on all of them. Now, let's say you only want to focus on GBP, everything else you want to remove it. So what do you do then? You select, you go on the plus symbol on the top right hand corner, click plus, and then you click on the little trash or dustbin, and then you select symbols which you do not want. Australian CAD, AUD CAD, you click on the dustbin thing on top, and then it's gone. But now you see that you cannot remove Euro USD, because what it means is that the chart for Euro USD is open. So you basically just go back to your chart, to your quotes. You can also pull it here. It's a demo account, so you can also just pull it here. What happens is now it means that on the charts the Euro USD is open. That's why you cannot remove it from the other side. So what you do is you go back, you long press on any GBP USD, you open chart, then you go back again to your symbols, to your quotes, you press on the plus sign, then you press on the dustbin, because even if I say trash, most people won't understand it. So you click on the dustbin symbol right there, and then now you can remove Euro USD, because Euro USD chart was closed. You cannot remove a chart which is open. You cannot remove a currency pair when the chart of that currency pair is open on your Metatrader 4, okay? Now you go ahead and you delete Euro USD. Now Euro USD is gone, so you're only left with currency pairs for GBP. When the news concerns GBP, you can trade any pair as long as that pair has a GBP involved in it, okay? So now you only have GBP currency pairs. You have your Euro GBP, GBP JPY. JPY stands for Japanese yen. And then you have the GBP Swiss franc, okay? That's a Switzerland franc. That's how some people call it chef. I don't know why, but yeah. And then you have the GBP USD. So how do you open a chart from this point? You open it by long pressing on it, and then you open chart. All right. That's how you do it. You go back again. You press on any. You long press, and then a pop-up window will come up. New order, open chart, symbol properties, advanced view. And then you open chart. Okay, it will load. Okay, on this chart you can also do zoom in and zoom out, just like a picture. You see, when you are zooming in and out of a picture, just put your thumb and index finger on the phone, you zoom in, you zoom out by pressing inwards, and then you zoom out, just like a picture. Just try it, guys, freely. Okay, you just do that, then you're good. Okay, now the white candlesticks represents the market going down, and the hollow green represents the market going up. Okay, so when you see a green, you can customize it to the color of your choice. You can customize it to the color of your choice, but this is easier to understand. It's not so bright, it's just perfect. Okay, so on the bottom part, you see, on the bottom part here is where we are here right now. We're at the candlesticks. We're at the candlesticks right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on this up arrow right here. It's the I don't know if should I call it a button from the left. At the bottom, you see, if you count from the left, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, number 1 is the quotes, number 2 is the candlestick chart, number 3 shows you your open trades. If you don't have any open trades, it will just show you your balance. Number 3 is number 4 is your history. Number 5, if your broker provides the news, which they never do because they know you'll make money. Number 5 is just basically Metatrader 4 community, or where technical traders try to analyze things they don't understand. Okay, now where were we? We go to number 3. Now, how do you open a chart? Okay, how do you open a trade? Opening a trade is very easy. Okay, what you do is you can open a trade from your quotes. You can also open a trade. Let's say you want to open a sell order on the Euro GBP. So you long press the Euro US GBP, and then you go to new order. This will pop up. Okay, this is your pop-up window. Your pop-up window. All right, on the top is instant execution. If you can also just click on instant execution, you see there's a lot of other options involved. Instant execution means if you press buy or sell, your order will be activated immediately. Depending on the market direction, you'll either go in a profit or loss immediately. All right, and then you have your buy limit, you have your sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. I'll do a separate video on those pending orders. Okay, but for now it's just the basics of Metatrader 4. Okay, and then here, remember the lot sizes I gave you guys yesterday? Lot sizes, or the day before. Lot sizes determine how fast you want your money to multiply. Okay, the lower your lot size, the less money you will make. Now with us, we never use anything below 0.0. You can't even buy bread with 0.01. all right, the lowest we can go is 0.25, the lowest. Let's go to our calculator. Let me just do it. If the market moves 350 pips and you use 0.25, at least you've made 87 pounds GBP, or euros or US dollar. But now, this is what technical traders do: 0.01 times 350. So technical traders, they usually make around $3.50. You'll never see anyone on our team using 0.01. Even if it's 0.09 times maybe 31 pounds. Okay. But however, we will never go below 0.10 or 0.10. At least with 0.10 you can start making a living, okay? You can start paying small debts here and there. Okay, at least it's 35 pounds, which is like around $600 Namibian dollars, around there, I'm not sure, but yeah, I can do the math. Now let's go back to Metatrader 4. Okay, Metatrader 4, lot sizes, it's on top there where you see 0.25. You can actually just move around that thing. You can play around with it. Okay, you can play around with it. You can enter numbers freely. You can enter as much as 100.00. Okay, it's free, guys. It's free. 0.25, any number that you want. But remember the formula of lot size, balance, divide by 100 all the time. The amount you get, you put it on top there. Okay, now let's open a trade. Okay, we go to our quotes. Let's open a sell on Euro GBP. Long press and then new order, and then you change the lot size to 3. Let's put 3.00, and then you see sell and buy on the middle of the screen. Then you click sell, then it's done. And then now what you can see is a trade. Your trades are running now. Depending on the market direction it will go. This was just a random selection. So now you see negative 162.34. You go to your quotes, you look at the spread. The spread is 43. Okay, 43, and you use lot size 3. 43 multiplied by 3 is 129. Okay, 129, but what we see here is 166. Now it means the market is moving. Now this negative, that's your broker's profit, immediate profit. Okay, so what you do is you go to Euro GBP, you long press, and you go to chart. When you go to chart, you will see that you see the green dotted line, which is written sell 3.00. That is that is your lot size. Now you see the gray line and the red line. Okay, you see the gray line and the red line. That is your buy and sell for that Euro GBP. Yeah, so that's a sell. That's how you open a trade. So now you feel like, oh man, I'm losing money. This is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, Forex, that's how it is. You enter a trade, you're in profit immediately or in a loss immediately. But in this case, it's always in a loss because this is an ST. This could have been an ST type of a broker, even though it's a demo account. It could have been an STP type of a broker. So they charge you a spread. A spread is basically a commission, not a commission, but the money the broker charges you for trading Forex. Okay. Remember, if you don't close a trade, it's not a loss until you close it. In this case, it may appear as a loss, but you haven't lost it until you close it. But now you feel like, okay, let me just close it. What do? You long press on the chart, and on the position Euro GBP. Let me just do it again. You see where it says Euro GBP, sell 3.00. You're basically telling your broker that on the Euro GBP pair, I want to sell at lot size 3, but now I want to close my order. So what do? You long press on the position, then you close order. On the bottom here, close with loss negative 177.08. Just click on it. Order is closed. It's done. That's it. You don't need to wait for someone to buy your currency pair. You don't need someone to sell your currency pair. It's that simple. But now, yeah, that's basically about it. That's how you add and remove currency pairs. Now, there is the other shortcut that you can do. Instead of going here to quotes, let's go back to our chart. Do you see on top here where it's written a dollar sign? On top here, where it's written a dollar sign here. What you want to do is you want to click on it, and you can switch from currency pairs easily. Let's go to GBP JPY. So just click on GBP JPY, and it's another pair. Okay, this is the 15 minute chart. So what you want to do is just tap in the middle. You see M1 stands for 1 minute, M5 stands for 5 minutes, M15 stands for 15, M30 30 minutes, H1 1 hour, H4 4 hours, D1 1 day, W1 1 week, MN stands for the monthly chart. Okay, that is what you do. Now the shortcut is also on top there, where you see a clock, top right hand corner, the second last, you see the clock sign there. So what you want to do, you want to click there, and then you have all these symbols, all these time frames. It's the same shortcut as this one, but this one I call it the shortcut of shortcuts. Okay, so that's basically it about opening a trade, adding a symbol. It's very simple on this Metatrader 4. It's simple. Okay, so I don't want to make the video too long, but watch it over and over again to see what we are doing. Okay, so on that note, I want to thank you for watching this video until this end. More videos are coming, so sit back, relax, and take your notes. Remember, positive vibe, positive mindset. Let's grow each other. Let's empower each other. Wherever I go wrong, please do call me, or you feel like you need clarity, do call me, drop me an SMS, and I'll improve on the next video. Otherwise, thank you guys. Let's save Namibia from the unemployment rate. Okay, I'm unemployed. I'm not employed by anybody. I do forex, I make money, and that's my 8 to 5. I'm a forex trader full time. Okay, thank you.